Today, I'm going to show you a profitable and easy to follow crypto strategy that can potentially make you a ton of money. This is not a clickbait. I highly urge you to watch this video till the end because I'm going to reveal the results after testing this strategy for 100 times and you're going to be shocked. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so for this strategy, we are going to use Solana 15 minutes chart and we're only going to need three indicators: EMA 10, RSI, and volume. So I'm going to take a 4 EMA indicator where I will change the first exponential moving average value to 10 and then switch off the second and third EMAs, leaving 200 EMA to check whether it helps. You can put any color you like. I'll make it white for better contrast. Then RSI, no changes here. Just going to switch off RSI-based moving average. The last indicator is volume. The only thing you need to add is volume-based moving average right here. Now let's talk about strategy rules. Firstly, the price should break out with impulse. The difference between impulse and corrective candlesticks is that the impulse one carries a lot of momentum with it, large body and little to no wicks, as you can see on the screen. We are looking exactly for that. Secondly, RSI should be above 50 for long and below 50 for short. Volume should be greater than the 14th volume MA. We are going to target 2-to-1 ratio while risking 2% of the capital per trade. Also, stop loss should be placed at the recent swing high or low, and take profit would be 2 times the amount of stop loss. We are going to open a position at the retest, and if a fair value gap was created and there is no retest, stop loss should be placed beyond the fair value gap. Let me show you. As you can see here, we have an impulse bullish candle that broke previous level right here. RSI is 72, which is above 50, and volume is also above the volume moving average. Our rules are respected, so we are going to open a long position right here at the retest. We're going to place a stop loss at the recent swing low and target 2-to-1 ratio. As you can see, that would be a winning trade, vice versa for short. We have an impulse bearish candle that broke previous level right here. RSI is 31, which is below 50, and volume is also above the volume moving average. Our rules are once again respected, so we are going to open a short position right here at the retest. We're going to place a stop loss at the recent swing high and target 2-to-1 ratio. As you can see, that would also be a winning trade. Now, when the impulse is so powerful that there is no retest, as you can see here, we are going to wait for the fair value gap to be created, and if other rules are respected, enter a position when the price reaches the fair value gap, placing out stop loss beyond it and targeting 2-to-1 ratio. Vice versa for short. Fair value gap, RSI is below 50, and volume is above volume moving average. We wait until price reaches fair value gap zone and enter out short here, placing stop loss above the fair value gap and take profit twice our stop loss. Now, when we've got the rules, let's test this system for 100 times, and I'm really waiting to see those results. Now let's talk about results. After making 101 trade, we gained $1,891, making our closing capital to be $2,891. That's a huge 289% growth. It took me a little more than a year to put all those 100 trades, so 289% is a really nice percent to almost triple your account within a year. The win rate for this strategy is 60%, which is also pretty good considering that we were trading with 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. Losing streak is 6 trades in a row, as well as winning streak. That statistically has around 38% to occur within 50 trades with 60% win rate. Biggest drawdown, as you can see on a chart, was between positions 59 and 64 and was $121, which is realistically not a lot thanks to our risk management, while biggest push was 18 and 25 and was $218. Both these occurred within 6 consecutive positions. Everything in this strategy is suspiciously great, so that leads me to start front testing it, and if the results are the same, I will put a real 100 trades using this strategy. By the way, this Excel file with all of the trades not only documented, but also screenshot, will be available with the link in description so that you can look at it for yourself and maybe comply your own test. Do you remember 200 EMA that I added in the beginning of the video? Turns out it does really make a difference, as almost all long positions I took were above 200 EMA and short positions below 200 EMA. So you can add another rule for the strategy to check 200 EMA and open long positions only if the price is above it and short positions if the price is below it. Also, I do not understand why EMA 10 is included in the strategy if there is nothing tied to it and I haven't found any particular correlation with it during testing, so I guess you can just turn it off. Updated rules would look like this. Let me know your thoughts and results in the comments section. I'll be back soon with more trading tips, strategy updates, and the results of my live front testing of this method. Are you ready to level up your trading journey and do it for free? Join our trading Discord community, where we're building a team of traders who are all on the path to profitability. Here's the reality. Traders who actively communicate with others are statistically more likely to succeed. Why? Because sharing experiences, strategies, and insights helps us learn faster, avoid common mistakes, and stay motivated. This isn't just a Discord server, it's a support system for traders who want to grow together. Whether you're just starting out or refining your strategy, you'll find a place here to ask questions, share wins, and keep pushing toward your goals. Don't go it alone. Join us today, completely free, and let's fast-track your path to consistent profits. The link's in the description. See you there. Stay tuned, and until then, happy trading. See you in the next video.